In this video, we are dancing a telespin, a reverse pivot, into a reverse turn, and a contra check. This is clearly a variation in the tango, as you can see by the sharp movements and staccato action. This is a very dynamic combination involving changes of speed, changes of sway, and contrast. Make sure that you stick around for the entire video for a very insightful slow motion recap of all of these demonstrations. If you'd like to see in more detail each of these figures individually, make sure that you check out our channel. And we're now into the slow motion. You should be able to notice quite fast head movements from both the man and the lady, sometimes referred to as head spotting. This type of action is a little bit different to what you would normally use in the swing dances, as it is much sharper. There for the man, and again for the man, and again. And again in the contra check. This head flick creates a lot of speed and impact. In this interpretation of the reverse turn, we are using an unusual sway change now and again with the closing of the feet. This adds another layer of dynamic flair. And now for the final angle in slow motion. If you've enjoyed watching this video, it'd be great if you could hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.